Welcome back to another video by Infintor. In this video, we are going to see how to generate invoice directly from our point of sale module. So for doing that, first let me open our point of sale module. And in here, let me open my register. So it's loading. And now you can select the products from here. So I'm going to select office chair and office lamp. Now to add customer, click on customer and I am going to select Peter as my customer and click on payment. And in here you can see an invoice button. So make sure you click on that and everything is looking good. So let me click on cash as payment method. So now the invoice is being generated. So yeah, now you can see a copy of the invoice has been downloaded to your system. And now let me go back to the back end. So, and in here, if you select the orders and click on orders, you can see our order that is being fully invoiced. And another way to generate invoice is directly from here. So to do that, let me go back and open my register again. And as we did earlier, let me add some product of Islam and pedal bin. Now I am going to select our customer Peter and select payment. This time I am not going to check the invoice. So now I am directly going to click on cash. And as you can see, no invoice has been created yet. And here you can print the receipt and also send the receipt to the customer if you want. So I'm not going to do that. So let me click on continue. And let me go back to the backend again. And in here, let me select the orders. And as you can see, our latest order that hasn't been invoiced yet. So to generate invoice, let me open this order. And here you can see an invoice button. So all you have to do is click on that. And now the invoice is being generated. So let's wait. And as you can see, the invoice has been generated. So if you go back, you can see the invoice status as fully invoiced. And these are the two ways to generate invoice directly from our point of sale module. So I hope everything is clear to you guys. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to contact us at infintor.com. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.